Today we will be making a color sort sensory bag. Do you know what a color sort bag is?
No!
Well, stay tuned to find out and come along to have some fun with us.
Yay! Let's go!
For this super fun and cool sensory bag, you will need one zip seal bag, one sheet of paper, a pencil and paint of different colors with paint brushes, colorful pom-poms, some sanitizer, but you can also use baby oil, some sticky tape, a pair of scissors, and a ruler. Let's get started. Step 1. First, measure and cut the sheet of paper to fit the zip seal bag. Now draw some lines for each color you will be using. Paint the colors and remember to leave the top and bottom part of the paper white. Step 2. Stick the colored paper to the back of the zip seal bag. Step 3. Pour some sanitizer into the zip seal bag. Now throw in the pom-poms and seal the bag onto the table with the tape. Now you can sort the pom-poms into the matching colors of the sensory bag. This is a fun at-home sensory activity for kids to practice colors, matching, sorting, and fine motor skills.
So, what's your favorite sensory activity?
Let us know in comments below.
Well, we have to go now, but thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you all next time.
Goodbye.